Hi, Ms. Jones. This is Tina from Teneo AI. How can I help you today?
I'm expecting a package to be delivered and it hasn't arrived yet.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Let me check our system for your deliveries scheduled for today. Okay, it shows the package was out for delivery this morning, but I can see it still hasn't arrived. I'm going to call the warehouse and get an update. Is this the best number to reach you?
Yes, but could you WhatsApp me instead? I'll be in meetings most of the day.
Of course. I'll WhatsApp you as soon as I have an update. Hi, I'm following up on package AJ16343. Any update?
Hello, yes. That's with good delivery. You'll need to contact them.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Please state your reason for calling.
Hi, Tina from Teneo here. Tracking number AJ16343 hasn't been delivered.
Is your issue related to a package?
Yes, the tracking number is AJ16343.
And what's the tracking number?
It's AJ16343.
So, the tracking number is ETSAJ16343.
Oh dear, I can tell you weren't built on Teneo. Can I just speak to a human, please?
Sure. Transferring now. Please hold.
Hello. Hi, this is Tina from Teneo AI. I'm chasing an undelivered package, AJ16343.
Got it. Can you confirm the tracking number again?
Yes, it's AJ16343.
One moment. Yes. We found it. It was in the back of the truck. We can redeliver on Wednesday or Thursday.
Sounds good. Thank you so much. Teneo AI. Make your AI agents the smartest.